Afternoon or good evening, I should say, everybody. Welcome to Boom City Breaks on Saturday, July the 1st. It is actually the 2nd because it's 2 a.m. Central and we are still breaking autograph jerseys. This here is a 4-box break. It is one of the Gold Rush autograph jerseys from 2017. It is also 3 of our very own boomboxes. Boomboxes are a product exclusive to our channel and our channel only. You got to stop on by YouTube, Twitch, or Breakers.tv. Boom City Breaks. If you want to hit stuff like what we pull out of this stuff, out of these boxes, because you ain't going to find it anywhere else. We did random team sales. You can see on the far left. We have already randomized both customers and teams. We then alphabetized those customers so they could see who they had a bit easier. Gave them all ample opportunity to trade. Here we go. Pop, pop. Everything's been entered. Did we get that last trade entered, guys? Yep, okay. All right, here we go. Ooh, wow, man. Gold Rush just treated you all pretty good, man, because this here is my personal favorite player of the modern era, guys. He is literally right there behind Ken Stabler and Walter Payton. That is a Mr. Ladanian Tomlinson. And once again, this one has a JSA and a Tomlinson holograms for you folks. There is your JSA card. Beautiful. Ladanian Tomlinson, folks. A very, very, very solid hit, man. We are hitting a lot of nice, solid stuff tonight, guys. LA Chargers now. No longer San Diego. LA Chargers, man. Where are they? Brad, man. Nice hit for you, bud. Very cool hit for you, man. Like I said, he's my personal favorite player from the modern era. Like I said, man, even if you include the old school, you have to be right there behind Ken Stabler and Walter Payton, which says a lot, man. Very, 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 very nice. But that is going to be a Brad hit. Let me get Brad's name on that baby. Boom. All right, guys. I suppose you want to break our boom boxes, folks. Well, we're expecting some big things out of boom boxes here, guys, because we are very, very, very due for either an upside ticket or a Walter Payton framed qualifier, folks. Well. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go, folks. Boom. That there is a Le'Veon Bell, folks. Yeah, it's one of the smaller SIGs that he did for a while there. But it does have a JSA. It is a custom, folks. Again, man, you guys got to hold this for a little while. Give the kid another month, another season, I should say. He's going to be a hell of a player, guys. Kid's one of the top fantasy kids out there. He's just been having some issues. He's going to stabilize, and I think y'all are going to be happy with what that jersey does in a year or so. But that is going to be a state of hockey hit, folks. All right, box number 2 of our boom boxes. Well, well, it's the second time we pulled them tonight. Only this time it is actually in the Browns jersey, folks, because that there is a Jabril Peppers, folks. Y'all can see as a JSA with it. She is a custom, but she's a really, really, really great custom. These Browns jerseys look so much better in person than they do on TV or whatever, folks. But who is Cleveland? Once again, everybody makes fun of Cleveland. But she's a beautiful jersey, guys. Never been unfolded, nothing like that. She's got all the tissue and stuff on the inside. Gonna be a just JS hit. right, guys, not too bad so far, man. Hitting a few nice players. Well, what do you guys think is going to be in there, guys? Is it going to be a ticket? Is it not going to be a ticket? Is it going to be an upsize? Is it going to be a qualifier? Gonna have to see. Have to see. All right, y'all. Boom. That is obviously not a Walter qualifier, folks. That is obviously going to be a Boom City t-shirt. And that's what you get, and you'll be happy about it. Now shut up. No. Here you go, guys. Let's pull it out backwards. Sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry, Minnesota. We'll see, guys. Boom. Wow, guys. Oh, my God. Ouch. Well, all right, folks. That there. Well, West. Yeah, ouch is right, guys, because that was right there. I guess that's the appropriate. Yeah, because that was a traded team, folks. That was a traded team. So I guess the little smiley face with the tongue sticking out is very appropriate at this point. Because that there is an upsize ticket. Oh, God darn it, that hurt. All right, guys, you know the drill. Give me a few minutes. Good Lord, that hurt, man. All right, guys, just again, I just got to get it set here for you so I can do what's appropriate. All right, guys, you guys know this drill. Good Lord, man, I whacked my head. I ain't kidding, man, that really hurt. All right, guys, I'm sorry about the shaking camera and stuff, but you all know this drill, guys. It's not a lot I can do to avoid it, because all right, guys, just remember it's a nice upsize, but not all upsizes are created equal. But here we go, y'all. Boom, folks. How y'all like that, guys? Again, I know it's not the cam, but God, come on, guys. This is a beautiful. it is framed so well, guys. I wish my personal friggin' Walter came out half as nice as this, guys. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Greg Olsen framed piece, folks. This thing is a monster. It is a sick, sick, sick looking jersey, framed really, really, really well quality, guys. So again, State, I think even if you didn't agree to hobo, you owe hobo. so, so there you guys go, folks. I'm really sorry, Westicles, about the traded team, but like I said, you traded them, so there you go. Have a good one. And guys, if you all want to hit stuff like this, you got to stop on by breakers.tv. Because again, this isn't our normal product of boom boxes, guys. You can hit this every day of the week in our boom boxes. And on top of it, we got a framed Walter Payton promo going on right now. Hey, please join us 7 nights a week. You'll find me, Gatsby, Government Cheese, Jabo, T-Roy, breaking all forms of memorabilia. Have a great night. All right, guys.